watermarks to product images in Magento 2. In this tutorial, I will illustrate how to add watermarks to product images in Magento 2. Step 1. Initially, log into Admin Dashboard and navigate to Content greater than Design greater than Configuration. Step 2. Select any theme and open it in edit mode. Step 3. Explore the Product Image Watermarks option. Step 4. Fill out the configuration details. Upload the image to be displayed as a watermark in the Image section. Set the opacity of the image in percentage from the Image Opacity option. Set the size of the image in pixels from the Image Size option. Select the position of the watermark image from the Image Position option. Step 5. Similarly fill out the configuration details for thumbnail images. Step 6. Similarly fill out the configuration details for small images. Step 7. Save the config and refresh cache. Let's check your Magento store front end. Watermarks will be added to the product images. How to delete watermarks of product images in Magento 2? Now let's learn how to delete watermarks of product images in Magento 2. For deleting the watermark, you just click on the bin option and save the configuration. Also, refresh the cache. Hope this tutorial helps you. Like and subscribe to our channel for more Magento tutorial videos. And comment if you have queries related. Share the tutorial with your Magento friends.